Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Tradingview API for real-time data. Alright, this is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic at all. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into the video. Now the first step is to access the API documentation. You can go ahead and access the API documentation by clicking on the API button that's on the Tradingview dashboard. Step 2 is to learn about the API's endpoints and parameters. So we'll go ahead and learn about the API's endpoints and parameters because that's going to be useful for real-time data. Step 3 is to use the API to retrieve real-time data. So you can use the API to retrieve real-time data, including price quotes, order books, or trade history. Now the fourth and final step is to use the real-time data for algorithmic trading and analysis. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview API for real-time data. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the